Wellsville. Come on, I'll show you. So, as you should know by now, fishes are just birds that have learned how to swim. That's why they call it flying underwater. Water is cool and clear and clean. Makes it easy to see there's no fishes in there. That's why I like to go fishing at fish farms. They let you use hangerbird, and that's what the fishes likes to eat. Hello, ma'am. Can you tell us why the lake is polluted?
Probably because of overuse of fertilizers in people's lawn care.
Wow.
Where the nitrogen runs off of people's lawns into such lovely places, and that's what makes the moss grow crazy and algae. That's why you get algae blooms.
Lots of fertilizers, like nitrous and sperms.
Well, sperms are technically for ferns, but...
Okay. I don't want to talk about either of those things anymore. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
How do you feel about the polluted lake?
Boy, I couldn't be happier.
Do you fish here often?
This is the first time.
Oh, okay.
Kind of stayed away from it up until this point.
Yeah.
Being polluted and all.
Me too. I've stayed away from. Nope.
Please.
Mm-mm.
Okay, look.
You've already asked me to do so much today. Like, that is the farthest thing from what I feel comfortable doing.
This is the only thing we wanted to do. We wanted to come out and make a nature documentary. We're going to kind of do like a Wes Anderson thing. And
right.
You don't...
Can I wear my shoes?
If you need to, just get in the water.
Well, no.
Oh my gosh.
Because it's not like a tepid bath water. It's probably really cold and gross. Like, I mean, there's already scummy stuff going around in it. And that's already there. It's not like in my bath where it's there after 45 minutes. It's just there.
45 minutes?
Yeah.
Can you just get in the water?
No.
And then we can go home.
No.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Can you at least...
Look, this thing's all gray. It's got like gunk on it.
Yeah, that's nature. That's what we're here to...
I don't want to ruin their underwater pine tree celebration.
Those aren't pine trees.
What are they?
They're not pine trees.
What kind of... Well,
I don't know.
I know two things that grow underwater: pine trees and fish. So, help me out a little bit here.
Okay, you got it. Can you at least tell us more about the lake? How it's in danger?
People are looking for this lake, man. They're gonna be shooting the lake.
No,
it's in danger.
With the pollution.
People are looking for it.
No, it's the pollution.
Yeah, they're polluting. They're gonna pollute it with bullets.
It's not that.
It is a little bit, I think.
Gosh.